Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn the extended C part. It's a little bit after the low horns, of course, a C major. And you're going to put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string. And you're going to pluck the A string and the E string at the same time. And then point your finger on the B string. And then back to your middle finger on the E string. Back to the B string again, but you take your pinky off. So it sounds like this. Just keep that C shape and you just go down. And remember, you skip that D. And then hit the B string one more time and take your pointer finger off. So it sounds like this. So far we got this. And this part is a little tricky, but you're going to have your middle finger on that B note there, pinky on the B string right there. And you're going to hit the A string first, you're going to hit the G string, and then you're going to pluck the B and the A at the same time, and then back to the G string. And then you're going to put your pointer finger on the E string on the 1st fret, and you're going to pluck it with the A. And you're going to pull off. Then you're going to hit the B and the G. So it goes... That is definitely the hardest part about this whole riff. And then you're going to get down to an A note. So you just take these ones off. Keep your pinky right there, and you're going to do the same pattern as you did before. You're going to hit the E and the A at the same time, and then you're going to go to the B string, back to the E, and then you're going to have your pointer finger on the B string go to the 1st fret. So it sounds like. You're going to be doing an A minor shape. Only reason why I'm not doing it like this is because we're skipping the D string. We don't need that finger anyway, so you take your pointer finger off the B string. So it goes. So that whole part sounds like this. Right. Now we got to the G part. So it's going to be like a G7. You're going to put ring finger right there, and then you're going to have your pinky on the B, where it's been this whole time on the 3rd fret. And then you're going to have your pointer finger, it's going to go like this. So it's going to be the same pattern as we did before. So that's E string first, G string, pluck the E and the B at the same time, G string again, and then pluck the E and the E again, the big and the little, and you're going to do a pull off. And then of course go down again. And that's the whole riff. So it does it twice, and instead of going to that G7 at the end, you actually just go to the walk down of the normal riff, and it goes, surprisingly, and it goes back into the main riff. So if you ever get lost with the thumb, just remember that the root notes go like this.